this panchayat is saying doesn't have any this thing. What is the financial support? Neither there is any this thing. What do you call it? Development in this village for the last so many years. All the subsequent sarpanches have failed to gather any this thing, economic this thing, to make up the economic health of that. It's a very poor this thing, panchayat, as far as financial support is concerned. They don't even have their own premises for the last so many years. And second thing, everybody who comes, they just come and sit on the chair, just irams and gairams, but no progress has been made. But it's a place where we have got a lot of resources, like the water. We have got a lot of springs which can be explored. Today, a bottle of water costs about 20 rupees. Even if our people we gather and have this thing, enterprise of water, this thing, mineral water, we can make a lot of money, and same local people can get the job.
दोळ्यांनी जरी दिसना तरी म्हजें सेन्स काम करता. लोकां खातीर हांव नेटान काम करूंक शकता अशें फ्लोरेन्सियो म्हणटा.
And that is to show the whole world.
दिश्टी
Even
पडना.
Helen,
Yeah.
Helen Keller, she had no eyes, she was dumb also, she was deaf also. At least we have got all the four senses. And plus we have got a lot of education, lot of experience. I'm a social worker also, I'm a human rights also.
Okay.
But I have never given on papers a big advert, but I always do on my own silently. I've got good connection with the police organizations, even in Goa, everywhere. Even today I do the social work. I've been doing and I keep on doing.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दत्तराज नायक.